Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is subject and verb agreement with collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used to refer to a group of people, animals or things. Here are some examples. Congregation, team, army, school, tribe, swarm, pack, choir, jury, cabinet, flock, and pride. Deciding between using a singular or plural verb to make a collective noun can be confusing for English learners. It all depends on whether the noun is acting as a unit or with more individuality. If the noun is acting as a unit, use a singular verb. If the sentence indicates more individuality, use a plural verb. Consider this example. The team are eating with their families tonight. Is the team acting as a unit, or are they acting as a group of individuals? Here's a more complicated example. 12% of the list has or have volunteered to help with the fundraising. The subject is 12%, which will be either singular or plural depending on the object of the preposition that follows. In this sentence, the object of the preposition is list, which is always singular. So the correct answer is has. The list has. So let's try and practice now with a few examples. Select the correct verb to match the collective noun. For example, the team is headed to the finals. Write the collective noun on the line that best fits the sentence. Create sentences using the collective nouns. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.